Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video on Appellate Authorities of Income Tax. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, first let us see what is an appeal here. An appeal is nothing but a petition against the assessment order issued by the assessing officer. Once the return is filed by the assessee and the same return will be scrutinized by the assessing officer, and he will issue an order with respect to the payment of the tax liability. Suppose if the assessee is not happy with the order issued by the assessing officer, then he can file a suit against such order to the appealing authority. The right to make an appeal is a statutory right, which means that this right of appeal can be exercised by both the assessee as well as the appellate authority. So in case of the appellate hierarchy, first the appeal should be made to the commissioner. Then if it is not, if the matter is not over at the commissioner end, then it can be filed to the appellate tribunal, then national appellate tribunal, then high court, and then Supreme Court. Now let us discuss these appellate hierarchy in detail. So the commissioner of appeals, the assessee can make an appeal against the assessment order issued by the assessing officer in the prescribed form number 35. Such appeal should be verified and signed by the authorized person. In case of individual assessee, it will be signed by the individual himself. If it is in case of a company, the managing director has to verify and put his signature on the appeal. If it's a partnership firm, in such case, then normally the active partner or any authorized partner should verify and sign the appeal. Such an appeal should be made within 30 days from the passing of the receipt of the order. The commissioner will admit the appeal. He fixes the date and time of hearing and gives a notice to the appellant and assessing officer against whom the appeal is made. The commissioner may make an inquiry and permit the appellant to produce any evidences other than the evidences produced before by the assessing officer. That means the commissioner provides sufficient time to the assessing officer to produce necessary documentary evidences in order to justify the income which is stated in the return of income. The commissioner will give a judgment which should be always in writing and contains the points of the judgment based on the reasons. The commissioner is going to state the various reasons for the passing of the order. He may confirm the order or reduce or enhance the assessment, or may order for cancellation of the penalty or enhance the penalty. That means here either he may certify that the order which was passed by the assessing officer is inappropriate, or he may reduce the income which is stated by the assessee, looking into the evidences produced by the such an assessee, or he may enhance the income which is stated in the assessment, or he may cancel the penalty, or he may enhance the penalty. Whatever may be the decision, the commissioner should communicate the judgment to both the parties here. So he should communicate his orders passed by him to the assessee and the chief commissioner. The next one comes here, appellate tribunal. An assessee who is not satisfied with the order of the commissioner then may make an appeal to the appellate tribunal. The right of appeal is also granted to the commissioner also. That means both the parties enjoys the right to appeal. However, the assessee can make an appeal within 30 days from the receipt of the order along with the appeal filing fees. If an appeal is to be made by the income tax department, no filing fee is payable. The appellate tribunal may hear and decide every appeal within 4 years from the end of the financial year in which the appeal is made. Suppose if the appeal is made for the financial year 1920, so by 23-24 it should be completed. Then the next one comes here, National Appellate Tribunal. It is started functioning from 1st June 2006. Such a National Appellate Tribunal should consist of a chairman and number of members are appointed by the central government. It admits the appeal if it is satisfied that the case involves a substantial question of law. That means when if it is not done, if the order is not passed according to the provisions of the act, in such case, or if there is no follow-up, I mean to say if there is any inadvertence with the act here, in such case an appeal is to be made. So an appeal to the National Tribunal can be made within 120 days from the date on which the order is received by the concerned party. The appeal should state the question of law involved and accompanied by the prescribed fees. The order passed by the National Tribunal is almost final. That means a further appeal can be made only if it is the contempt of the provisions of the act. Then the next one comes here, the High Court. In case of the High Court, if any one of the parties is not satisfied with the order of the National Tribunal, in such case any of the parties may appeal to High Court within 120 days of the receipt of the order. The appeal should be made along with the fees by the assessee. The appeal will be heard by the High Court only on question of law. When it feels that the provisions of the law are not followed while passing of the order, or if they have been ignored, if they have not been looked into that, then in such case it may go for accepting the appeal. The High Court will decide the question of law and deliver the judgment. Suppose if any of the parties are not happy with the order which is passed by the High Court, then in such case they may appeal, any one of the parties may appeal to Supreme Court. So an appeal can be made to Supreme Court if the High Court certifies it to be fit one for appeal to Supreme Court. So for the making an appeal to Supreme Court, the certification by the High Court is necessary. If the High Court refuses to certify the case as it fit one for appeal, appeal can be made under the Article 136 of the Constitution against the order of the High Court. Such appeal should be made within 90 days of serving the judgment. Supreme Court, on hearing the case, delivers the judgment. If the judgment of the High Court is reversed, that means it is cancelled, the Appellate Tribunal should pass necessary orders to dispose the case in conformity with its judgment. It means in case if the order of the High Court is null and void, the Supreme Court direct the Appellate Authorities to pass the necessary orders to carry out in conformity with its judgment to carry out the further assessment. Thank you.